What's up, everybody? I'm back out here in the garage finally with the dune buggy, and spring is quickly approaching, and I got a lot of stuff that I want to get done to this thing before I start driving it regularly. So, the first thing is going to be a little two-tone paint job. I can't stand the color on this, to be honest. I wish it was more orange, but it's kind of a, I don't know what color you call that, but I don't like it. And I got to put my own little piece of pizzazz or whatever on there. I am definitely not going to bore you guys with videos of me painting this. I am going to spray paint some parts with the neon green there, and then I'm going to be brushing and rolling the black Rust-Oleum, so it's going to be a cool little two-tone paint job, something real simple, real fast. I will honestly probably have more time sanding than anything else. It's going to be tedious and time-consuming, and I'm just not going to do a video on it. I will give you an update after I'm done, or probably partway through, just because it's going to suck, honestly. I'm going to have to take all these zip ties off, do some masking. Shit, I'll probably wind up painting these bolts black too, because I'm just really, I'll try to be careful around that stuff, but you know how it goes. I just want this thing to look a little bit different and give it a little bit of a different feel. One thing that I do want to do, up here, I bought a roof rack. One of the reasons why I'm doing this video tonight is because tomorrow's trash day, and they're picking up the recycling, so I want to get my roof rack box out of here. So my wife was nice enough to buy that for me for Valentine's Day, so thank you very much, sweetheart, for the roof rack. And I'm gonna put this up here, and I've got a light that I'm gonna attach up there. I just think it'd be kind of cool if I do want to go to Walmart or whatever, or if I just want to carry some extra stuff, I could put it up top, and I think that'll be a nice little solution, and I think it'll look kind of cool. I'm gonna have to do something different with the rear view mirror. I'm thinking like a backup camera type thing, because it's just hard to see back there. And these mirrors suck, but we'll address those mirrors at some other point. I'm actually thinking about grabbing some sheet metal and covering just this middle part here. I would like to attach, I gotta have my tunes, I gotta have some radio. So I'm thinking about attaching a stereo underneath the sheet metal there. And then the roof rack will obviously go on top of that. But I'm kind of thinking something along those lines. I do have this little marine cover. I can pick up one of those cheap little dual stereos. Thinking some cheap boat speakers or something that I can just mount right back here. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but I do like some music, so that's definitely on the agenda. I'd like to find something for just a little bit of storage back here so I can throw some tools or whatever. I've got the ammo can up front, but I don't think that's going to be enough. I'll probably wind up buying another couple of ammo cans and just throwing some tools in one, and I don't know. I had thought about trying to find something a little bit bigger back there, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. So probably going to be a couple of ammo cans. So that's basically, I'm going to try to clean up some of the wiring. I've got an amp down there. It's a marine amp, so I may try to utilize that in the stereo somehow. Gosh, what else? I've got some lights that I want to get hooked up, some LED, like light bar and whatever. I want to get these KC lights working. I don't know what's wrong with them. I haven't looked into it, so that's going to be on the agenda. Basically that's I'll get rid of this padding, obviously. Probably go up to Walmart and get some pool noodles or something when those come, and do something to replace those. These are pretty crappy. Engine's running pretty good. I definitely need to at some point find, I got to do something about that because that's pretty ugly and it's loud as shit. So I need to find like a super trap muffler. I know what I'm looking for. Just something that'll just quiet this thing down just a little bit. I'll probably wind up pulling the exhaust off and painting that black with the high heat stuff, just because it's all rusty and shit and nobody wants to look at that. Clean the engine up a little bit. Give her a tune up. New plugs, wires. Just the stuff. New fuel filter. Just get her all ready to go on down the road. Just clean everything up. The big thing is going to be, the roof rack, the stereo, the paint. I got a lot of stuff to do. So, anyways, that's it. That's all I can think of at the moment. I know there's some other things that I want to do to it. Eventually, I'd like to. Yeah, I'll tell you later, sometime maybe. But that's it. Quickest video I think I've ever done. You guys have a great night, and stay tuned. Check back. I'll give you some updates. Like I said, I'm not gonna bore you with painting this on video because that's just dumb to me. If you don't know how to spray paint or roll on paint, there's 7 million other videos out there. But that's it. Say bye, boys. Bye. See ya.